Okay, y'all, I'm back. Yes, Miss Queen of the Fluff. Y'all already know what it is. I told y'all I had to think about it first to see if I was going to do it. But now you got it. You asked for it. Here I go. Well, this is what I have for you today. Refrozen fluff chunks. Here we go. Mm, mm, mm. Listen, from Bahama Bucks, you get the best of both worlds. You got your fluff, you got your crunch. Mm-hmm. Right there. I'm gonna do one even better. Ooh, look how soft. When you're talking about the nails, I know I gotta get the nails done. It's already understood, and I'm gonna get them done this week. Look at it. Oh my God. Now watch this. Watch. Look. It's something about Bahama Bucks. I can't tell you what it is. I can just tell you they ice good. Mm, mm. The best of both worlds. Soft, crunchy, firm, mm, in between. God have mercy. Mm-hmm. Y'all already know what it is. Here we go. This is good. Listen, I'm gonna be having ice and chats, ice and jams. Only thing I need you to do is like, subscribe, and share. Can y'all do that for me? Like, subscribe, and share. Mm-hmm. Good living for me. My God. Do you see that? Mm. This is good. Facebook blocked me. But I'm still doing my live because I love my group. It's called For Ice Eaters Only. If you're not a part of that group, search it out. Facebook, yes. Mm-hmm. The good thing about this still give you your fluff. See? Small crunch. Oh my God. Yes. So I have some exciting news. Now that I have my own YouTube channel, I'm going to have some good topics, some good jams. Y'all going to get to request type of music. I'm going to put it on here. Well, sound like they're cutting grass. Y'all be blessed. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Miss Fluff Queen for Bahama Bucks. Bye for now.